My video is about getting rid of the ransomware called Ithh. This ransomware is, by the way, from the DJVU ransomware family. This ransomware encrypts files and appends this Ithh extension to the file names. My video, of course, is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting it. In the video, I'll just show you the negative impact of the ransomware and will give you some recommendations on how to protect your files. By the way, I got the sample of this ransomware on the VirusTotal database. So after restarting their computers, users suddenly realize that they can no longer access their data because of this nasty ransomware-type infection. And this is what happens. Users suddenly see that the Ithh extension has been additionally appended to the file names, and it is not possible to use the files anymore. Removing that Ithh extension manually still does not fix the issue. The files are still damaged and encrypted by this ransomware. The ransomware then tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't pay it, don't waste your money. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the application, install it, and start researching your system. The software is initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the application would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. And then the scanning will begin, and at the end of the scanning you will see the summary of all the threats which were found. Combo Cleaner, by the way, has got anti-ransomware feature. This feature helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data, but it does not decrypt the files. And there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt the files. So at the end of the scan you will see the summary of all the threats revealed on the computer. Some threats can be removed manually based on the location's information of these threats, but I recommend that you upgrade to Premium. And speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your files.